sardines or seaguar minnows, man.
Pulling drag over here?
Yeah, they pull drags. Swimming it out. Oh, it's not a runner. Ah, funny.
That's a slabber.
Wait. Fish. Fish all day. They won't have very many. There had to be 2 or 3 of them on for a minute.
Is this what you used for the salted? Get any left over at the end of the day, we'll just, instead of throwing them back, you
Salt. Lure. And just keep layering it. Best bait in the world. Never comes off the hook. Make it nice and even. When the salt gets to this stuff, it turns into like jerky. The fish love it. All the oils come off the fish, off the blue runner. And the salt preserves it all. So when it's down there at the bottom, the fish smell it. They go nuts. This is how we used to fish in Southern California for the vermilion rockfish and cow cod. And I know the group are gonna just demolish this stuff. Snapper too. Keep going till you get to the top. I got one done already. Oh yeah, they want to play.
yeah, bump it into gear.
That's cool.
Probably put it up on a partial.
Want me to go a little faster?
Yeah, they want to ride your wave.
Yeah, they want to ride. Look at that.
No.
Dolphin plane, look at that. They're probably so bored out here. That's incredible. Some good footage right there, huh, John? Wow, that's awesome. Probably 20 of them. At least 20. Beautiful.
There you go.
What do we got? Red snapper, ladies and gentlemen.
That was a little shy. That's pretty though.
You a little shy?
Yeah, they gotta be 16. We're gonna
16 inches.
There's some clean over there.
Hang on. I want to bang his boat up. How about that?
A 2 in here or a 7.
He was about 14.
How was he?
Yeah, he was small.
Close to it.
There's another one.
We're close to it. We are close to our father. But I just hope it's not to you to throw away.
He might make it.
Doesn't look like too much. I don't think there's a lot of current because it's 2 ounce bait didn't really do much. You may need to move it a little bit.
Sorry, Steve. You did? Slip that on my hand there.
Okay.
I don't know if he's gonna make
You
it.
guys just a full squid down there? Or smaller?
You gonna make it?
Oh, no.
Huh?
Oh, I don't think so. Nope, 16's right there.
Yeah.
Close.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I see color. Oh, he gonna make it. He gonna make it for sure.
Oh yeah. Getting bigger.
Getting bigger.
It's 20-incher.
20, 20, 20.
Or 19.
19. We're loading them up, folks. We're loading them up. We're gonna go back down with that.
That's just 4. That's the
Couple bags of ice on that other side.
Yes.
That's a beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen. When John gets to bleed and stick in hatches. You don't get that every day.
Rain and bleed.
Right, John?
Yep. Rain and bleed.
Right off the bat, too. He puts us on a spot, and it's just full tilt.
We need to put a big bait down. Yeah, no.
Look at this. Here we go. Tease him a little bit. And, ooh, he ripped it out of his mouth. There it is. Oh yeah, we on again. Doesn't feel like it's as big as the last one, but he might make the number. Oh, that's gonna be close. That's gonna be close.
You got grouper?
Yeah, way tiny.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Huh?
No, you go back in.
Throw him back in. Let's try this stuff. You got one up there? Oh yeah, that's the Carvalli right there.
You want half of that, or probably only need half?
Yeah. It feels so great too. Just how hard it is, and
Yeah. They played on that pretty good.
yeah. Let's give it a shot. We're going down with the salted bait.
Whoa.
This thing is getting smashed too. Oh, there it is. On the salted. Look at that. On the salted. It got bombarded too.
Keep watching. He's just kind of cruising for us. Pulling that on.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah.
We can't get a bigger one in there?
That's pretty small, isn't it? I'm disappointed. Pretty cool, huh? There it goes. Get him. Steve's on.
It's decent. It's getting smaller as it comes up.
It's getting smaller. He's just sitting there hanging on it. Oh, yeah. I got some meat. I got some meat. Oh, that's a bigger one, Steve. Oh, I'm taking drag. On the salted.
There it is. A bit. Here. That is a fish. Get shark?
I don't think so. No shark.
Look at this. Look at this.
No, I think it's a bigger model, dude.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Might need a pick here, dude. I got color. Oh, he's a big boy. Give me something here. Oh, that's a big dog. He's a big one.
Yeah.
That'd be a winner. Let's bring him on. Should have done it a long time ago. I had 50 pound on it.
Yeah, definitely.
Woo-wee! Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, salted works.
Damn it, boy. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
That's the size we were hoping for.
Yeah.
That's about the size.
What do you got there?
Huge.
24.
24.
Huge.
I'm making a mess.
Let me put him in a hole.
Yep.
You want, we keeping that one?
Probably not.
Okay. This guy's going in.
We have a on red.
Let's
Do it again. Huh? Look at this. Look at this. This is just phenomenal stuff here.
Got that one on the salty. Blue runner, huh? Sweet. Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you.
Yeah.
I live down. Is salted still alive, Jay? Oh yeah, he was alive.
Salted.
Really?
Yeah. It's the smell, dude, I'm telling you. You got the salted on there, Steve?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
And those big guys, they like an easy meal. You know, they don't want to work for
No.
it. And they mill around. This piece of dead stuff goes by that.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
take that.
Absolutely.
I'm not chasing anything.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do, right?
Yeah. Well, I was watching one of the guys that I follow. I think he was down in Keys, probably fishing, but where's the salted? They were targeting black grouper. They wanted.
Oh, I'm getting smashed already.
They wanted a black grouper.
Yeah.
And he got on the spot, and that's exactly what they dropped.
We're not even on the spot.
It was like a big,
Black grouper?
big piece of meat that was cured like that,
Yeah.
and that's what they were eating. The spot's not on the spot. That is something.
So I did it on the 17th. What's today? 21st today? That's a 4-day salt right there.
You just use like,
That's what it turns into.
like rock salt and just
The pool salt. Yeah, from the pool store. $11 for 40 pounds.
It's all salt to these guys.
Right. Yeah.
Sodium chloride. Yeah.
There's a big one. Get him. I missed mine. Did he get smaller?
Smaller.
At the same time.
I wonder if it's a group. I think it's a, whatever it is, it's a keeper. Yep.
Steve's like, I don't care, we'll keep it.
Famous last words.
Whatever it is, we're keeping it.
Mangrove.
He wallops it.
Ain't kind of mangrove yet.
Not a mangrove.
Because you're on the boat, right?
Oh, you're not keeping it.
Gag.
Is it a gag? Oh.
That sucks.
Boy, would that be tasty.
That's why you walloped it so much.
Boy, would that be tasty.
That was on a salty too?
No, that was a live pin.
Live pinfish.
That bite, that first bite.
Dang.
They're so much more solid than a red grouper.
You have another,
Fish. That's like the per eating size too.
whatever you hooked into ain't,
You're on camera now though.
it ain't small.
Right to be worried.
It's huge, whatever it is.
There it is.
Oh,
It looks like.
hold on, slow down.
Something. Here it comes. That looked like a grouper, and it looks like a big grouper. Oh, is it a
Don't be
gag?
a gag.
Oh yeah, it's a big dog.
It's a big red.
Oh my. Look at the size of that thing.
Good God.
He's got a collar.
Jiminy Christmas.
Smoke that shit on that one.
You
I'm gonna put him back here for you.
had to hook into this grouper.
Nice.
That thing is huge.
That's a big boy.
That is a huge attractor.
Look how fat he is.
Oh my God. That's just
That was on.
That's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, the. He's getting one.
Like a
oh,
squirrelfish?
Squirrelfish.
Squirrelfish.
Third time the squirrelfish went down.
Let me get back. I got my rod in order.
That's a big one.
Salted.
There we go. Oh yeah. Here.
Nice.
Wanted more interesting.
I got color.
You might get now. One more group, I think. Big old fire truck.
Way.
Oh man. I don't know if it's gonna go in this net, dude.
Jerry, you gonna let him down.
I am.
In the net.
He's full of air.
Here, bring him over here.
There you go. There you go. I got him.
Got him?
There you go.
He's full of air.
Might not be as big as mine.
It don't matter as long as it's in the hole.
That's a good one.
Yes, sir. Big dog.
That's a big one.
Big boy.
Big one.
Biggin.
It's not a 12-inch grunt.
No. It's a big dog? That's a big boy.
Probably not. Oh well.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think? Huh?
Huh? What do you mean? Oh, that's a big fish.
How big is it?
25 and a half.
Nice. 25 and a half. For that big one.
Going back for it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he is. Oh yeah, he is.
That's the one I'll get you. Talk it up.
Uh-oh.
Bottom fish or is that a fish?
That's a fish.
That's not a bottom.
That's big fish.
Not only fighting fish, you're fighting the wind, the boat.
Yeah. Boat dragon, sushi dragon.
Yeah.
Very good.
Dragon anchor.
You got a good one on.
Yeah.
Probably another 30-inch grouper.
That'd be nice.
One more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, wait, was yours the last?
We need one more. I think it's not half. Yeah. I don't think it's.
Let's go.
What do you got?
I don't know. Feels like a grouper. You shaking like one?
Chicken?
Yeah. I see it.
I see it too.
Red grouper. Big dog.
Dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, I'll grab it. I'm gonna take a chance.
Big dog.
Oh my god.
I got 50 on there, so
Dude, an absolute unit.
there it is. There it is.
Good lord.
Nice fish, man.
Hey,
What do you think?
That's a good
For the
one.
end of the day?
that's how you finish the day. Oh my god. Feel how heavy that is.
Wow, that's a big
Feel how heavy that is.
That's definitely not a grunt.
Good night.
Wow.
Dude, that's 30.
That's my PB, dude. That's my PB.
You know how lucky you are? Look at this.
Just can't
Look
ride
at that.
Woo!
Wow.
Is that on your salty special?
That's it.
Nice. Was that on the salted?
No, squid.
Good.
Man, what a stud.
Gotta be 28, 30 inches. Let's measure them. I'd say 30.
30.
30 inches.
30, baby. Woo!
Look how black the tip is on this thing.
Man,
That's a big dog.
what an
That
absolute
was the spot we said we were
stud.
rolling over, so you better drop down right now.
That's a unit.
Good lord.
Yeah, I did. Right when you said that too, I got right up.
Yep.
Wait, flip for you. You flip for you, you can get another side too.
Should we get both sides?
Yeah. Right through.
Holy smokes, man.
That's a way to end the day, man. That shark's so
I may want to.
God bless.
I want to grab the other
Limits.
ice at some point.
Huh?
Was the other ice in?
Yeah, at some point you may want to come out.
Limits, boys.
Good job.
job.
You know what you should do is
This is what it looks like on our way home.
guys.
Nice. Made it happen today. See if we can struggle. Got to fish early.
Just take 10 rubber bands. And
Over a spot we've never been through before and absolutely crushed them. We got our limit 10 red grouper, 10 red snapper.
Red snapper.
Red snapper. We got no mangroves. We were trying to get a mangrove today, but we didn't get one. Jerry caught a nice lane snapper, big one. It's not big. And then he caught the biggest.
Oh, no. The big grouper.
Big grouper.
Yeah, 30 inches.
So he caught a 30-inch red grouper. And anyway, I didn't think I would be able to fish as hard as I did, but I was able to reel them in. Got my chest is mostly healed. I'll be sore tomorrow probably. Feel pretty good. So thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna have a 46-mile ride back into the. It was supposed to lay down a lot. It's only laid down a little bit, so we'll see you back at the marina.
Them out like in an angle. What a problem to have.
It's a bad problem. Is it never ending, John? Ooh, that's a nice red snapper.
Yeah, I think you're smoked, man. That's pretty good. That's pretty close.
Which one?
Your red snapper. You were pretty close.
Oh, yeah. I don't even know which one was mine, which one's yours.
I think yours is bigger.
It doesn't matter. It's all gonna go on our stomach. Right?
So it ends up in the same place.
Yeah. John, that pile's bigger than you are. I only see 9 right here.
Yeah, this one?
Yep.
I think this was 10.
Yeah, it's 10.
We never took it. We never did.
Yeah, we couldn't fit any more out of the hatch. What do you say, man? Huh? Excellent day. What do you want to tell the folks at home?
Excellent day.
Killed them.